Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tools and tips to unleash your inner handyman. In today's video, we have something special lined up for you. We scoured Amazon to find the top 10 must-have tools that will revolutionize your DIY projects. So, let's jump right in. The WORKPRO 12-volt cordless drill and home toolkit is a comprehensive combo kit designed to meet your various home improvement and DIY needs. This kit includes a 12V cordless drill, along with an assortment of 177 essential tools, all neatly organized in a durable 14-inch tool bag. The centerpiece of this kit is the 12V cordless drill, which provides reliable power and versatility for drilling holes and driving screws. The drill features a comfortable ergonomic grip and variable speed control, allowing you to adjust the drilling or driving speed according to your specific task. The accompanying 177-piece tool set covers a wide range of applications, making it suitable for various projects around the house. The kit includes a selection of screwdriver bits, nut drivers, drill bits, and sockets, allowing you to handle tasks such as assembling furniture, fixing appliances, or hanging shelves with ease. With the WORKPRO 12-volt cordless drill and home toolkit, you'll have everything you need to tackle common household repairs and renovations. The tools are made from durable materials to ensure longevity and reliable performance. The inclusion of a 14-inch tool bag makes transportation and storage convenient, keeping all your tools organized and easily accessible. The Accusize Industrial Tools 5PC Marking Black Precision Layout Solution is a collection of precision marking tools designed for accurate layout and marking tasks. This set includes 5 essential tools that are made with high-quality materials to ensure durability and precision. The engineer's square is used to establish 90-degree angles and check the squareness of workpieces. The center square accurately marks the center of cylindrical or square objects, allowing for precise alignment and layout. The screw pitch gauge measures the pitch of screws or threads with precision. The set also includes a hardened square and center head, which combines the functionality of a square and a center head for marking precise lines, angles, and locating the center point. Lastly, the square bevel protractor is used for measuring and marking angles accurately, making it ideal for layout and machining tasks. The Accusize Industrial Tools 5PC Marking Black Precision Layout Solution ensures accuracy and reliability in layout and marking tasks. Each tool is built to high standards, guaranteeing durability and long-lasting performance. The Sutek 24-inch manual tile cutter with tungsten carbide scoring wheel is a reliable and efficient tool specifically designed for cutting porcelain and ceramic floor tiles. This manual tile cutter offers precise and clean cuts, making it an ideal choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals in the construction and remodeling industry. Featuring a 24-inch cutting capacity, this tile cutter allows you to handle large format tiles with ease. The tungsten carbide scoring wheel is a standout feature of this tool, offering exceptional hardness and durability. It efficiently scores the tile surface, creating a clean and precise cut line for accurate tile separation. The Sutek manual tile cutter is designed with user convenience in mind. The adjustable measurement guide ensures accurate and repeatable cuts, allowing for consistent tile installation. The cutter's sturdy construction and ergonomic handle provide stability and comfort during the cutting process, minimizing fatigue and ensuring safety. With the spared cutting wheel included in the package, you have an extra cutting wheel at your disposal. This is particularly beneficial for professionals who rely heavily on their tile cutter for daily operations. The spared cutting wheel ensures uninterrupted work and minimizes downtime. The ASNOMY 8 pieces large TCT Hole Saw Kit is a comprehensive set of tools designed for cutting precise holes in a variety of materials. With 8 different hole saw sizes ranging from 5/8 inch to 2 3/8 inch, 16 to 60 millimeters in diameter, this kit offers versatility for different hole sizes. The hole saws in this kit are constructed with tungsten carbide-tipped TCT teeth, which are known for their hardness and durability. These teeth are specifically designed to handle hard metals, such as stainless steel and iron, making them perfect for applications in metalworking and fabrication. However, they can also be used for cutting holes in wood, plastic, and other materials commonly found in construction and DIY projects. To ensure accurate drilling, the kit includes a titanium-plated pilot drill bit. This pilot bit guides the hole saw and prevents it from wandering or slipping off-center during the cutting process. As a result, you can achieve precise hole placement and maintain control over the drilling operation. The TCT hole saws in the kit feature sharp and efficient cutting edges, allowing for smooth and clean hole cutting. They are designed to penetrate materials easily, minimizing heat and friction to prolong the tool's lifespan and deliver optimal cutting performance. For user convenience, the hole saws are easy to install and remove, enabling quick and hassle-free blade changes. The kit also includes a sturdy storage case to keep the hole saws organized and protected when not in use. The Warwood Tool 6 pounds double-faced sledgehammer is a heavy-duty striking tool designed for construction and demolition tasks. With a 6 pounds head featuring 2 striking faces, it provides versatile use for driving stakes, breaking materials, and more. The durable construction and ergonomic handle ensure long-lasting performance and comfortable use. The rigid electric pipe cutter, 2.5 to 8 inch, is a powerful and efficient tool designed specifically for cutting pipes with diameters ranging from 2.5 to 8 inches. This electric pipe cutter offers precise and clean cuts, making it an ideal choice for professionals in the plumbing, construction, and maintenance industries. Equipped with a robust electric motor, this pipe cutter delivers reliable cutting performance with minimal effort. The motor powers a sharp cutting wheel that effortlessly slices through various pipe materials, including PVC, steel, and other common pipe materials. This allows for efficient and accurate pipe cutting, saving both time and effort on the job. The rigid electric pipe cutter features an adjustable cutting depth mechanism, allowing you to customize the depth of each cut according to your specific needs. This feature ensures consistent and uniform cuts, resulting in professional quality pipe installations or repairs. For enhanced convenience and ease of use, this pipe cutter is designed with user-friendly features. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip and reduces operator fatigue during prolonged use. The cutter is also equipped with a sturdy base that stabilizes the tool and ensures precise and controlled cutting. Safety is a top priority with the rigid electric pipe cutter. The tool includes built-in safety features such as a blade guard and a safety switch, providing added protection during operation. These features help prevent accidental injuries and promote secure and controlled cutting. The Osco Cabinet Hardware Jig Tool is a versatile and convenient tool designed to assist in the installation of cabinet hardware, such as knobs and pulls. This tool is equipped with an adjustable drill template guide and a punch locator drill, making it an essential tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals in the woodworking and cabinetry industries. The adjustable drill template guide allows for precise and consistent drilling of holes for cabinet knobs and pulls. It ensures that the holes are evenly spaced and accurately aligned, resulting in a professional and uniform appearance. With this tool, you can easily achieve consistent hole placement across multiple cabinets or drawers, saving time and effort. The punch locator drill included in the Osco Cabinet Hardware Jig Tool allows for precise marking of hole positions. This ensures that the drill bit is precisely centered on the desired location, preventing any drilling errors or misalignment. The punch locator drill acts as a guide, making it easier to achieve accurate hole placements without guesswork. This tool is designed to be adjustable, allowing for flexibility in hole spacing and positioning. It can accommodate various sizes and types of cabinet hardware, making it suitable for different projects and styles. The adjustable feature ensures versatility and adaptability to meet your specific needs. The Osco Cabinet Hardware Jig Tool is user-friendly and easy to use. The sturdy construction and ergonomic design provide stability and comfort during the drilling process, reducing user fatigue. This tool is suitable for both novice and experienced users, making it an excellent addition to any toolbox. The Hyde Tools 09165 Drywall Hands 6-foot hose dust-free vacuum sander is a specialized tool for sanding drywall while minimizing dust. With its integrated vacuum system and 6-foot hose, it offers a cleaner work environment. Its lightweight design and comfortable grip make it easy to use. Achieve dust-free sanding and save time on cleanup with this handy tool. The Duratec Ratcheting Flare Nut Wrench Set is a comprehensive toolkit designed for various mechanical and automotive applications. This set includes 5 wrenches, each featuring a ratcheting mechanism and an open end, allowing for versatile and efficient use. The wrenches in this set are specifically designed for working with flare nuts, which are commonly found in plumbing, automotive, and hydraulic systems. The ratcheting feature enables easy and quick tightening or loosening of flare nuts, saving time and effort compared to traditional wrenches. Constructed from durable CRV, chromium vanadium, steel, these wrenches offer exceptional strength and longevity. They are designed to withstand high torque applications and provide reliable performance over extended periods of use. The Duratec ratcheting flare nut wrench set is a metric set, including sizes of 10mm, 12mm, 13mm, 14mm, and 17mm. These sizes cover a wide range of commonly encountered flare nut sizes, ensuring versatility and compatibility with various applications. For added convenience and organization, this set comes with an organizer pouch. The pouch keeps the wrenches neatly organized, making it easy to transport and store the set. This feature ensures that the wrenches are readily accessible and protected from damage. The multi-purpose electrical wire stripping tool is a compact and powerful tool designed for professional electricians, offering efficient wire stripping capabilities from 24 AWG to 6 AWG. With this tool, you can achieve precise and clean wire cuts and strips for your projects. One of the key features of this tool is its built-in scale ruler, which allows for accurate measurement of wire length. This ensures that you make precise cuts and strips, resulting in reliable electrical connections. Convenience is a priority with this wire stripping tool, as it comes with a storage box for the stripped insulation. This feature promotes easy cleanup and helps keep your work area neat and organized. Durability is also a hallmark of this tool, as it is constructed with high-quality materials. It is designed to withstand frequent use and endure the rigors of electrical work, ensuring long-lasting performance. The multi-purpose electrical wire stripping tool is highly versatile, making it suitable for a wide range of repair and installation projects. It is an indispensable tool in any electrician's toolkit, providing the functionality and reliability needed for efficient and accurate wire repair and installation.